Good morning.
Oh,
we almost said that at the same time.
we did. Yeah.
Are we on? I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know. It's spinning. We'll pretend like it's on. We might just be talking to ourselves.
Oh, there we go.
Okay, there we are. Good morning.
Hello.
We are back. Sorry we missed you last week, but we are back, and we have a guest who's hiding behind us. This is McMurray. He's helping, so that's that'll be fun. That'll be an adventure from the last time that he helped.
Yeah.
As he was sliding off the couch like a
Oh
fool.
yeah, the very first video.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, there's Merman. There's the Merman. So today we're talking about different heartworm preventatives in keeping with our theme for the month, which is heartworm awareness. There's some new options out that we wanted to talk to you about. And certainly if you have any questions, let us know. Hopefully we can see them.
Yes. Yeah, we've been having a really difficult time. And then not last week, but the week before, I know like my husband and my sister-in-law said that they tried to watch us. And then I got on because I was like, well, what's happening? Because they said that we just froze. So if you're not seeing us for some reason, definitely let us know.
Yeah, it's weird. I don't know. Technology. Hashtag technology. I don't know.
But yeah, if you have any questions,
oh, man.
Let us know, and hopefully we can see them.
And I just remembered, look what I got. Thank you, Pat Flouder. I love the mug. It's so cute.
And all the chocolates are long gone.
All the chocolates that were in there, but thank you so much. We do love it. So, heartworm preventatives. So we've talked before about how important it is to keep your pet on heartworm prevention all year round, both dogs and cats. So we want to talk about some of the options. Some of them you've heard about before, but it doesn't hurt to talk to you guys about it again, and just as a refresher. Especially since we're in the season where more and more people are thinking about it now. It's important all year round, but for some reason come springtime, that's when people start thinking about being on heartworm prevention and do they need their refills and all that. So we've got some different options. Oh, dog comic relief. So we have some different options. So what do we have? What do we have here?
Here. Oh, goodness.
Fun how I pretend like I don't know.
We have Try Heart.
We have Try Heart. What's Try Heart?
Try Heart is heartworm prevention. It's generic for HeartGuard Plus.
Yeah. And why do we have generic?
Because it's cheaper.
Yeah.
So it's the same thing.
Yeah, it's the same thing. Does the same things. Does heartworms. It does roundworms. It does hookworms. But it's less expensive, which is really nice because then you're looking at something that's less than $10 a month. Really, I think it's less than $8 a month, even for the big size. Until you get into the big dogs that need two different sizes to cover their full weight range, it's cheap.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And with that, you do want to do both sizes. Otherwise, it's basically pointless. If your dog is 120 pounds and you're only doing the 51 to 100, you might as well not be giving it.
Yeah, they're not fully protected. So that's why it's important to have an updated weight on your pets as well. Make sure that we are dosing them appropriately to make sure that they're protected. Yeah. So that's our budget option. So I think it's a good way to go. It's a monthly chewable. It's tasty. It's kind of like bare bones basic, but it's important. So what else do we have?
We have Revolution Plus for cats. We also have it for puppies and under 5 pounds.
It's just regular Revolution for the under 5 pound puppy kitten. Yeah. But the Revolution Plus, McMurray, Lord, sir.
He's like, you don't need to be in it, Mom.
It's fine. Just kick me out. What does the Revolution Plus cover that the Revolution does not?
Fleas.
And Revolution covers fleas too.
That you said Try Heart does not.
Oh, the Revolution Plus cover that Revolution does not.
Ticks.
Yes. Yeah. So you get tick protection with the Revolution Plus. God. Oh man, this was a bad idea. He's leaving now. So Revolution Plus covers heartworms, of course, fleas, ticks. What else?
Oh no. Don't do this to me.
It's worms. What worms?
Are you just talking about heartworm?
No.
No.
The other worms. I'm putting Crystal on the spot.
They all do so many different things.
They do.
And there's so many different products that if it's difficult for me to remember, I don't expect you guys to.
No.
So, rounds?
Uh-huh.
Tapes?
No.
No, not tapes. But it protects the ants' fleas.
It does. So that's usually where they get tapeworms from. So yeah, I mean, in a roundabout way, kind of.
Do you give me half credit?
Yeah, I'll give you half credit for that answer. What else? Hooks.
Hooks.
Hookworms, yeah. So, there's McMurray back again. So Revolution Plus, so like I said, the difference between that and Revolution is that it also covers ticks. So if you have a cat that goes outside, that is our recommendation, is that they're on Revolution Plus. Cats that are indoor only, regular Revolution is fine, although honestly I think the price is about the same, so it's kind of like, why not? Keep getting glimpses of him. Or you can go with something that just does heartworms and intestinal parasites for cats. It's topical as well. So we have Revolution. We have, what else for dogs?
We have Pro Heart.
Mm-hmm.
I almost forgot about. I was trying to think of, look at the shelves, but it's in the fridge.
It's in the refrigerator.
Pro Heart.
Yes, Pro Heart 6 and Pro Heart 12. So it's an injectable heartworm preventative that lasts for 6 or 12 months. Now he loves you. Sometimes he doesn't like Crystal. So it lasts for 6 or 12 months. Depending on the age of the pet, we may choose one or the over the other. Like puppies have to be 6 months old, and they can get the Pro Heart 6. And then for their next injection, they can get the Pro Heart 12. Most of the adult animals will just go straight to Pro Heart 12, but some people too prefer to break up that cost. So we may just leave them on the Pro Heart 6. That's fine too. Just come back for your 6-month injection.
Yeah.
No big deal. So that covers heartworms. What else does it cover? This is fun.
Roundworms?
No.
No. It doesn't cover roundworms.
No.
Hookworms?
Yes. There you go. That's it.
But
that's
I do know
Mm-hmm.
that if they come up positive for round or other types of worms, the company will cover treatment.
Yeah, they'll cover the cost of treatment. So, I've had different people talk about, well, it doesn't cover all of the intestinal parasites. And that's true. But I think realistically, heartworms are going to be the big bad. We can pretty easily treat for roundworms, hookworms, tapeworms. Those aren't typically in our house pets. Those aren't going to be life-threatening, whereas heartworms certainly can be. So for me, I think it's more important that they're covered for the heartworms, and then we just monitor stool test results. Ideally every 6 months, but I think majority of people, we're lucky if we can get them to bring in a stool sample once a year, but at least monitoring that way. And then if they come up positive for anything, or if you see any worms, then yeah, we just get them a dewormer and it's all good. So what's new? What's brand spanking new?
I know this one.
You do know this one.
Simparica Trio.
Woo-hoo! What's different about that, Crystal?
It is actually a 3-in-1. Most people, they come in and they're like, oh no, they get the 3-in-1. Well, until now, that has not been a thing.
Yeah.
But it is now.
Yes.
So it does heartworms, fleas, and ticks.
Yeah. Because there was a product that came out several years ago. I mean, I don't even know how long it's been. It's been a long time. Called Trifexis, and I think that a lot of people thought, oh, that's 3 things. So heartworms, fleas, and ticks. No, it does heartworms, fleas, and intestinal parasites. So it doesn't have any kind of tick coverage. So good product for those things, but doesn't cover ticks. So that's where Simparica Trio is kind of revolutionary and very, very exciting for everyone, because everyone's been asking, isn't there something that I can just give them for everything, just one thing? Yes, now there is. So Simparica Trio is really, really cool. Because it covers intestinal parasites, it covers heartworms, it covers fleas, it covers ticks. Once a month, chewable. Fantastic. I love it.
I love that it's not topical.
Yes. Yeah, so you don't have the mess of a topical, which is really, really nice. I think a lot of people prefer the chewable flea and tick products anyway. And have that combined with your heartworm prevention is amazing. Absolutely amazing. So we don't have it here in the building. How do we get it to people?
So we use an online pharmacy. It's integrated into our website. So if you go on to premierpetcare.com, is it stl.com? What?
You don't know our website.
I don't. Type in Premier Pet Care in Google.
premierpetcarestl.com.
See? STL.
Yeah, premierpetcare.com I think was like a pet sitting business or something. I don't know. That's not us.
So add in STL.
Yes.
And then there's a tab, online shopping or online pharmacy.
So shop online.
Shop online. And you can get to it from there.
Yeah, and so there you can get, of course, Simparica Trio. That would be my choice. And you can get it shipped to your home, which is fantastic, especially right now. People aren't wanting to go out places and get exposed to, you know, the COVID and all that. So having it shipped directly to your house is fantastic. You can have, I believe it has the Easy Dose It option where they'll ship you a single dose each month, so you can't forget to give it, because you just get it in the mail, you give it to your pet, done. That's why they call it Easy Dose It. So that's a really convenient option. Nobody knows. That's a really convenient option for people. So that's why, you know, trying to encourage people to do the Easy Dose It. That's why we're not stocking it here right now. And trying to get more people to do the online pharmacy just so that they're getting it shipped to their house so they can't forget.
Yeah. And not even just that. Not even just heartworm and flea and tick products. We have a lot of... I'm trying to ignore it.
In the kidney.
We have a lot of other stuff on our online store.
So there's, toys, foods. Yeah, prescription diets are on there. There's over-the-counter products. There is, I mean, even within the heartworm prevention realm, there's things that, like Interceptor, or if you really like and you want to stick with HeartGuard, you can get HeartGuard through there. You can get Trifexis. You can get Sentinel. Any of them are on there. So that same thing with our flea and tick options. If you like Simparica, if you like NexGuard, if you like Frontline, whatever, that's on there as well. So it makes it very convenient. Again, can be shipped once a month, so that you're not losing track of your schedule for your dose.
And you don't have to do once a month. If you want to get a 3-pack, if you want to get a 6-pack, if you want to get it shipped to you every other month, you know, you can definitely set all of that up. We can go on there and help you with that if you're having difficulty. You know, that's definitely something that we can do to help out as well. So just let us know. But get on there and take a look. Shop
around. I think the pricing, when I looked at it, is basically the same as Chewy and Vetmeds and wherever else. But it also has the benefit of, because it's technically coming from us, the manufacturer rebates pertain to those purchases as well, which they don't pertain to some of the other online pharmacies. So you get a rebate on top of that. Some of them are instant rebates, and it'll flag it on the website, and it'll show you what rebates are available and how that all works for each individual product. But so you can actually save a little bit money that way. I believe shipping is free unless it has to be overnighted, so that's cool. I love free shipping.
Yeah, me too. That's why I pay for Prime.
That's right, exactly. So it's nice, it's convenient, makes shopping easy. You can compare the products yourself if there's something in particular that you're worried about. Some patients they have a history of whipworms. In that case, we would recommend doing something like Interceptor or Interceptor Plus, which would help control whipworms as well, whereas some of the other products do not. So, if you have questions about that too, let us know. Of course, we can help guide you to the right product for you and your pet. Or like Crystal said, if you need help shopping online, we can even get it all set up for you, and then they'll just send you an email, and then you can put your credit card information in and finish the purchase, and we'll line it all up for you.
Or if you're having trouble with that, we can also do it. We can take your credit card information over the phone too. I just did that for my aunt last week. And got her all signed up and did it that way, and then it just ships to them.
Yeah, it's very cool. It's very convenient. So, if you guys have any other questions, please let us know. Do you have anything else for today?
Oh man, I don't think so.
Okay.
I hope that everyone...
You want me to quiz you some more?
No. Can you quiz me on something that I know so I look smarter?
Or if I could tell you ahead of time, but there was going to be a quiz, then,
yeah.
you know.
I could refresh. Plus, I'm looking homeless today.
No, you look lovely. You look great. It's fine. So yeah, so if anybody has any questions, needs anything, you could always comment on the video, and of course we will respond there, or give us a call or email, whatever you want. And thank you again, Pat, for the really cute mug. I love it. And everybody have a wonderful day. Bye.
Bye. Oh yeah, we need to smile for our... We have to do a thumbnail.